Now you can tell that's cooked, look at that. Yeah. Now if you're just making an omelette with nothing in there, just salt and pepper guys, just leave it like this. Yeah, if you look at that bubbling, that's the one. Tell me this does not look beautiful. Welcome back guys. Alright, today I'm gonna just do a little breakfast. What I'm gonna be cooking is omelette. With the omelette I'm gonna have cheese. I'm using grated cheese, got 40 grams of that there. I'm also gonna do chopped tomatoes, chopped mushroom. Gonna have some scallion in it at some point to garnish it. Right, with some chopped onions, couple garlic cloves. I'm going to season it with, I'm going to saute the onions with the mushrooms and the garlic. I'm going to add some mixed herb in there, season it with a tiny bit of salt and pepper. Then when I'm doing the omelette, I'm going to season that again with some salt and pepper. Cook the omelette on the fire, then I'm going to finish it up with it in the grill. Put the cheese, let it cook down, have that with toast. So let's go. Thank you. Okay, that's that done. Now, simply today, I'm going to use 2 pans. That's for the mushrooms, that's for the omelette. Tiny bit of mixed herb, when I say mixed herb, just around that much. Now you can tell that's cooked, look at that. Yeah. Alright, now that I can tell the pan's hot enough, the oil's going to start bubbling up. With a nice little stir. Even as simple as this. Now if you're just making an omelette with nothing in there, just salt and pepper guys, just leave it like this. Put it in the oven same way, make your life easier and get that perfect omelette. Then do this around the side. Then that's it, just leave it. If you look at that you can just tell, shouldn't really take it off to show you, it's starting to bubble up. So when you're seeing that starting to bubble up, you know the bottom layer is now fully cooked. It's just got that film where that's cooked. And that's on medium heat, not even high. So now what I'm going to start doing now, add the tomatoes. Now I've turned the fire off now. I'm going to put some of the spring onions on at the moment now. Not putting too much spring onion, reason being is it's already got onions in there. Yeah, if you look at that bubbling. Now, tell me this does not look beautiful. That's the one.